Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have the 2020 Lincoln MKZ Reserve all-wheel drive. This car is actively for sale. I will include a link to the listing. That link will work even if the car sells. It's going to direct you to our used car page, but if the car is still available, link's going to work. So this one here is Empire Blue Metallic over Ebony and has the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 400 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. It's 350 horsepower in front-wheel drive versions. This is an all-wheel drive. So this one has magnetic pack, of course, the $4,000 twin-turbo V6, the panoramic roof, luxury pack, an element pack for a total sticker price when new of $54,715 with some discounts and stuff like that. Overall, a very, very nice car. Spent a good amount of time in MKZs. Had a couple 2-liters. But not first time in a V6. I appraised one. First time spending time in a V6. And it completely changes this car. Look at that panoramic moonroof. Completely changes the car. Revell Ultima sound system sounds fantastic, but what really is good about this car is the drivetrain. One aspect of a luxury car is having tons of power and not needing to dig for that power. Part of the luxury experience is having a ton of torque and just having all the passing power you will ever need. And the 3-liter really wakes up this car. It is really, really, really quick. 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque is a lot of power. And it's very readily available. It's very low down. You don't have to dig for that horsepower. This thing is a little rocket ship. You know, it just adds to the whole different character of the car compared to the 2-liters. This thing flies, absolutely flies. there is minimal turbo lag. I mean, you start with a 3-liter V6, it's bound to be a torquey motor. You add turbos to it, you got a rocket. And there is minimal turbo lag. This thing will light up the tires, no problem. So let's say doing 20 miles an hour, 27. This is in comfort mode, mat the gas. It is instant, absolutely instant. It downshifts and goes. That's why this is absolutely awesome. I think this is the biggest difference. Well, okay, that's Hellcat versus V6 Challenger, but that's a completely different animal. But an optional engine completely changes this car. A $4,000 option is worth every penny. It is a completely different car. And I know for a fact that these things are tunable, because I believe this is a very similar motor to what's in the Ford Fusion Sport, and I've seen people push stupid numbers out of those cars. It's impressive. It's really impressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.